Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change text font size in Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet and click on this spreadsheet. You can select a specific cell and you can change font size. Click on this. Here you will find this font size option. You can click on this plus icon and font size will increase, and click on this minus icon and decrease. Also change this full spreadsheet font size. Click on this left top rectangle box and select whole Google sheet and increase here and see this font size increasing. Also you can put here custom font size as you want and see this. I'll make it 10. Also you can change this font size. Click this format option and here you will find this font size option. Yeah, this is. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.